welcome to another episode of the Foodie Vlog. Today in my kitchen I am making a pure traditional Odia meal which consists of khichdi, dalma which is a traditional dal recipe of Odisha, dahi baigana which is dahi bengan, and coconut vada which is called Nodia Bora. So let's start the preparation. And also this recipe I have used no onion, no garlic and no ginger. So let's get started. I've added salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder to the brinjals. This is for the dahi bangan, and now we're gonna fry them. So I've heated a pan and now we're gonna add some oil. So we'll add about 2 tablespoons of oil. I've coated the brinjal well with the turmeric and the salt, and now we're gonna add them one by one to the oil. So now we'll start making the dahi for the dahi bangan. We'll add about 4 tablespoons of fresh curd. We're now going to add some salt. So I've already added salt, and we'll add 1 teaspoon of sugar, and we're going to mix it well. We'll get to the main part of making the dahi bangan. We'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we're gonna add some green chilies. Now I've mixed some bangan with the dahi, which I'm gonna add to the pan. I've added the dahi bangan to the pan and I'm going to mix it well. The dahi bangan is ready. For the dalma we need 1 cup of tur dal and some cut vegetables. So I have potato, pumpkin, which is kaddu in Hindi, some cut brinjals, parwal, which is also known as pointed gourd in English, and in Odia we call it potoro, and some beans. So these are the vegetables that you need for the dalma. We'll get to the preparation of the dalma. Now in this recipe I'm not going to use onion, garlic or ginger. So let's get started. So we're going to heat a pressure cooker now, and we're going to add 2 cups of water. Now we're going to add the dal, and we'll add all the vegetables now. I've covered the pressure cooker and I'll keep it for 2 whistles. While the dalma is getting cooked, we'll start the preparation of the Nodia Bora, which is the coconut vada. For the Nodia Bora, that is the coconut vada, we need half a cup of rice, 3 tablespoons of jeera and 3 dried red chilies. I have half grated coconut here, so we need that. And now we'll begin the preparation. I have washed half cup of rice. I'm going to add this in a bowl. I'm going to add the jeera and the dried red chilies. And I'm going to add some water. So we're basically going to soak this in water. And now we'll get to the next step. I've drained all the water, and now I'm going to add it to a grinder. And we're going to grind this until it becomes a smooth paste. I've added everything, and now we'll grind all of it. You can see I just opened it and I noticed that it's a little dry, so I'm going to add some water, very little water. The paste is ready, and this is how it will look. So now we'll start making the Nodia Bora. So in the grated coconut we'll add the paste. And we'll add some salt to taste, and we'll mix all of this together. Let's start making the Nodia Bora. So in a pan we'll add some oil. This is about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, we'll make small varas and we'll add it to the oil and we'll let it pan fry. So we'll add them one by one. Now it's time to give the dalma the final touches. So we'll heat a pan and we'll add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once it is heated, we'll add dried red chilies. And now we'll add some grated coconut. So now for the last dish we'll make the khichdi, and I always prefer to make it in the end so that I can enjoy it hot and fresh. So the first step is to add the moong dal, and we're just gonna fry it. So I've roasted the dal for about 5 minutes on low flame. Do not roast it on medium flame, otherwise it will burn. As you can see, it has turned a little brown, and I'm going to take it out on a plate now. Next we're going to heat 4 cups of water. So I'm using 2 cups of rice, and hence I've added 4 cups of water. Now we'll add 3 bay leaves, tej patta, some turmeric. This is about 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and salt to taste. We'll add the dal to it, the moong dal that we roasted on the pan. Now we'll add 2 cups of rice. We'll mix it. We'll let it boil until the rice and the dal is cooked properly. As you can see, the khichdi is ready. I'm not going to drain the water. We have just added the water we need, and this is ready. So now we're going to add some grated coconut. This is my entire spread. This is Nodiya Bora, dalma, dahi baigana, and khichdi, which I have garnished with some grated coconut. This is my entire lunch platter. I cannot wait to begin, and you guys should definitely try this at home, and let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section below.